students, this video is for class 6 social science. So this video is for the continuation of the previous video. So in the previous video we have discussed about how the Indus Valley civilization was being flourished, right? So what were the features which was about the Indus Valley civilization. So now in this video we're going to discuss about the life of the people, the religions, arts and artifacts, okay, and about the decline of the Harappan civilization. So let's start with the life of the people in Harappan civilization. Okay. So Harappan people mostly they practice agriculture. So agriculture was the main occupation, right? Apart from them, they used to practice trading, okay, fishing, some poetry making and all, okay. So this has been proved, okay, the people where they used to practice agriculture, okay, it has been proved due to by the excavation which was done at Kalibanga, okay, which provides the evidences of plough field. So they used to practice agriculture. The main crops were wheat and barley. So wheat and barley was the main crops. Apart from them, okay, apart from this, they used to grow the crops like peas, sesams, okay, lentils, etc. And even cotton also. So some of the statues and pictures on the seals which has been found, okay, during the excavations indicates that they were used to weave clothes, okay. So they were mostly females were the weavers, so they used to weave the clothes also, right? Now many types of ornaments was been excavated, okay, got it. So most of these ornaments, they were made up of gold, copper, precious stone, shells, cowries and sheets. So ornaments, okay, ornaments both men and women, they used to wear the ornaments, right? They used to wear armlets, rings, necklace, waistbands and bangles. So these were the jewelries where men and female both they used to wear. They wore clothes, okay, they wore clothes of wool. Men wore 2 pieces of garments which includes lower and upper garments. So they used to do pottery also, okay. So terracotta has been excavated, which was a small toys they used for kind of showpiece. Now trading, okay, so trade was another occupation apart from agriculture, okay. So trade was another important occupation. So they used to do the trading with the Asian countries, Egypt, Babylon, Afghanistan, right? So what they used to do the trading, okay, got it. So they used to export and import like stones, metals, steel, right? So instead of metals, okay, at that time metal they don't use the coins and all, okay. So they used to practice of exchanging the products, okay, and the exchanging of product is called as barter system. Now most of the cities were been excavated like Mohenjo-daro, Harappa and Lothal, which was the important centers of metallurgy, product producing tools and weapons, right? So traded goods, okay, so they used to do the trading goods, okay, trading goods like pottery, beads, gems, ornaments, etc. So this is all about your trading. Now about the religion. So most information about religion life comes indirectly from shields, terracotta, metal figures. So at that time we don't know about what the religion they were been adopted, okay. So it has been proved that, not proved, it has been some evidences has been found that they used to worship a figure, okay, figure or the statue. So this shield which has been excavated, okay, it refers that the Harappan worship mother goddess, right? Pasupati Shiva, some sacred animals and trees. So they used to worship these things, okay. Apart from them, they used to believe or they used to worship the natural things like they used to worship sun, earth, okay, and even rain and all, right? So as no temples are been discovered, So we don't know about the temples and all. Okay, there was no any kind of permanent center where they used to worship the god. Many graves has been excavated, which has been found with pots and essential items which were used daily life. So the graves, okay, where they have buried pots and some essential items, and they used to believe that there is a life after the death also. Okay, so that person who has died, they might use or they might need those items after the life, right? So that was kind of belief of Harappan people. Now, arts and artifacts. So as the people at that time, they used to practice poetry and all. Okay, they used to make various things from the clay and all. So all the work of Harappa arts includes figurines of clay, metal, alloys and stone. So they have made the figures or the statues or any kind of toys and all of clay, metal, alloy and stones. Apart from that, Harappan people, they also practice boat making. Okay, since they were the traders, okay, some merchants, so they used to travel through the boat also. Bronze statue of dancing girl is been found at Mohenjo-daro, one of the important feature. Okay, you can see the picture of a dancing girl. You can check it. She has wore a bracelet at one side, isn't it? Both the sides. Okay, got it. So she has tied a hair also at the back, right? So this is the figure of your dancing girl. Poetry and earthen vessels has been also excavated. Okay, so they have made the poetry and made up of clay and all. Okay, some an earthen vessel also. Okay, made up of mud. Different colors were used to make poetry. So they have used different colors, okay, to make all those metals, okay, all statues and all. So this is about your art and artifacts. Now last part is your decline of Harappan civilization. So there are various reasons, okay, so there are various causes we can say behind the decline of Harappan civilization. So Harappan civilization started decline by 1800 BC, right? So some of the historian or archaeologists, they believe that there was a Indus Valley civilization was declined due to high amount of rainfall. Okay, so because of that, what happened? The whole city was been submerged. Next, increasing salinity caused by expansion of neighboring country, desert. So due to the increase of salinity, okay, what happens? The fertility of the soil started to decline. As most of the people, they were depend upon the agriculture. So now what happens? Slowly their economic status started to decline, right? So one reason is this. Next, sudden subsidence or uplift of land resulting flood. So what happens? Due to some upliftment of a land, okay, what happens? There was a occurrence of flood in those regions, right? Next, due to deforestation, the climatic changes was been occurred. And some of them believe that due to over cultivation at the bank of river Indus, river were forced to change its course, and due to which the land lose its fertility, right? Now last one is invasion of Aryans. So Aryans invaded Harappan civilization, Harappa and Mohenjo-daro cities, plundered all the wealth of cities and killed brutally the human in Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. So finally this led to the end of civilization. So this is all about your Indus Valley civilization. Hope you have understand the chapter. Do the home assignment.